Hey, what's going on? This is your boy J-Hen Traveling Life, and I'm coming to you today, you guys, to check out these LED gloves right here. LED gloves. These gloves actually have about 12 different LED colors on them. You can have, we're opening them up just now. You can have all the colors you want right here. You can get red, blue, yellow, green, purple, light pink, light yellow, light green, light blue, light purple. You got all different colors. And another thing about these right here is each glove comes with 4 replacement batteries. So you can have these for a while. These could be good for, Halloween, Christmas, any type of holidays that you got going on. It's real simple. You open them up out the box, you pull these little tabs out, and you are good to go. And then you can start those colors to go with whatever costume, holiday theme you got going on. Let's take a look to see what it's like without the lights, you guys. We need to get rid of some of these lights up in here, so let's make it a little dark so you can see what these gloves are. So if you really want to, add something to your costume right here, you can add these gloves and have them to go with your costume. We're going to just take a look at some of the different functions on them. So you got all those different colors. So you could wear it with multiple costumes, multiple events. If you're using them for Christmas, Easter, any type of special occasion, event. If the kids are just using them to play around with. Now, I am about, 5'6". I don't have the biggest hands in the world. I mean, my fingers are just about right there at the tips, but they're not too small for my hands at all. But again, you can have, each glove has its own controller. So if you want to have 2 different colors, you got that option. If you want to get these gloves, check the description down below so you can be ready for Halloween. Be ready for that next event with whatever color you want. Hit that.
And I did use these for Halloween this year, and these were kind of the highlight of my costume. Everybody loved these. So just know, even the kids loved them when they saw me with them on. You can use these, like I said, for any types of events, Christmas, dancing events, going out to a party or something, like throw these on. Be sure to follow me and like the video.